The Oracle Digital Assistant has capabilities that allow us to address some of the real-world challenges when it comes to entity extraction. In this video, we explore some of the options. A composite bag is the most versatile and powerful entity available. Composite bag entities group related entities and can be used to model real-world business domain objects like an order, a service request, a product, or a meeting. Composite bag entities are a must-have in entity extraction. They provide a framework that simplifies many common challenges, such as multiple extractions, validation, out-of-order extraction, multiple values, and more. Let's take a closer look at some practical examples. The composite bag entity is incredibly versatile and can represent any object with multiple associated entities. For instance, a pizza order intent may have entities such as size, type, address, and more. With composite bags, we can extract multiple entities in one go, making the process much more efficient. It requires only one dialog flow state to handle the entire extraction, including prompting for missing values and managing error handling. Furthermore, when working with system entities like date, time, or address, we can easily set properties on them to add even more flexibility. In ODA, you have the platform's built-in entity validation rules. For example, in this case, the input XL is validated against the value list entity. This ensures the accuracy and consistency of the extracted entities. In terms of custom entities, it is possible to implement custom validation to enforce specific business rules. For instance, here we have a requirement to prevent deliveries after a certain time. Often overlooked, but yet critical in a well-designed conversation are repair paths and error handling paths. When validation fails, it's essential to have well-designed prompts that guide the user back on track. It's best practice to gradually provide more information with each prompt, as this helps to keep the user engaged and prevent frustration. This helps in improving the user's experience by helping them to understand what went wrong and how to fix it, all while maintaining a conversational tone. To prevent user frustration and ensure a smooth conversational experience, it's important to carefully manage the number of times the user is prompted for input. By defining a specific number of prompt attempts, you can avoid repeatedly asking the user for the same information and prevent the conversation from becoming locked. Once the maximum number of prompt attempts has been reached, you can define a repair path that transitions the conversation to a different dialogue state. Out-of-order extraction is one of those challenges that can easily be solved with a composite bag. Each bag item has a checkbox that enables out-of-order extraction. Values are slotted even when the user is not prompted for it or is prompted for a different entity value. Here, the user changes the pizza size when he is prompted for the address. In some cases, we may need to implement back-end integration or implement more complex business or validation logic. Within a composite bag, we can create entity event handlers, which are the answer for those cases as they allow a programmatic approach to resolving the composite bag entity. There will be a dedicated video covering this topic. The platform's entity extraction capabilities are one of its key strengths. These capabilities allow the platform to accurately identify and extract key information, making it possible to solve complex challenges much more efficiently. This was just a glimpse of the existing capabilities, but it goes to show how we can address most of the challenges. Please check our documentation or ask our assistant RT for more information. You can find the links in the description.